we're still in the middle wood again. We're just on the side of the path here. You can see the pathway water. And there's a little blue tit. We've just seen it in there.
Flying towards that stump.
Aye, you can hear the other one.
I mean, it's pretty open at the top. I wouldn't imagine it's nesting in here, like.
No. But there's a bit of nesting material there. Wonder what that's off.
It's possible, like,
Probably
normally they like to be in a hole in a tree covered up, don't they?
Aye, I was on. But this looks knackered. I can't see no being in this mind. Oh, there's a bird actually sitting there.
Is there something in there, like?
Aye, little blue tit.
Huh?
I'm trying to get out the light so I can.
Tell you what, I'm surprised at that, mate.
Aye, I know, so am I.
It's just, like, it's totally open at the top.
That's why the other one's getting a bit defensive. I'm trying to move it onto one side so I can. It's totally wide open. They're normally like small holes in trees, don't they?
Aye, but like completely covered in.
Aye, you can see it looks lovely when it's sitting there like that.
It's obviously sitting eggs.
Aye, it must be sitting on eggs.
Are they up to 16 eggs there?
Aye.
They're up to 16.
I'd seen a lot of the books like a big egg count on them.
And I think they could be at them about 12 to 14 days or something.
Aye. I'm hoping not getting a good shot. It's now when the camera focuses on the things in front of it, and there's that much in front of this. All these leaves. I'm trying to move them around a little bit just so I can. Oh, that's it. I'm getting a brilliant shot there. The light shined in the hole nicely. Just see how them chip chops are not doing that. That's a lovely shot of that little blue tip there. I'll get away before I disturb it. Just heard a jay. Just heard a jay doing that.
Tin.
Uh-huh.
Well,
I haven't turned it off. We're just walking away from that blue tits there. And looking in it, it's got about 12 eggs. Seen a few of them in the nest boxes and that, but never seen them with as many eggs as that before. It's definitely 12 eggs in there. We'll get some good footage of the young and that on this one. That's the knackered old tree stump what it's in. Right, we'll leave it alone for now. Right, leave it alone for now. We're back on the blue tits in the mill wood, the one that had 12 eggs, and it actually looks like something's ripped.
See that hole in the side looked like that,
Aye, nah, it was nowhere near that bad. And I'll move the branches out of the way now. You can see in there where someone's actually getting in, ripped the whole clean out.
80% of what the fun's been destroyed, haven't they?
Aye, there's a lot of stuff gets taken. It's all these small nests, and by even the biggest nests are getting took on with someone. Blackbirds and that, aye. It doesn't help that there's a jay's nest up the tree right next to it. That probably is going to have big young in it at the minute. The birds just flew out as we came past, as we came in here to check the blue tits. It should have young at this time of the year. You probably heard it squawking in the background when we came in, when I started the camera up. But that's two we came through the day and they've both been taken, destroyed. I can see through that jay's nest that it probably still got eggs. I can see through the bottom of it there.